So working on my 87 Camaro, about to take this off. 3 bolts here, 2 right here. Anybody want to know? That's what I'm doing right there. That's where I got it from. Here's all the information on it. This little piece right here came with like a little sticker, the mounts, a couple little bolts. To replace it. That one. This. That one. So, yeah. About to do that. And I'm waiting on this bar to come in the mail. This bar to come in the mail. This one right here too, waiting on that one to come in the mail, and replacing all of them. Just don't like the black anymore, so I just switched it up so it matches the calipers and all that. But yeah, that's what I'm doing on the 87 Camaro. Just a little update on you guys, you know. About to pick the bar so I can get my exhaust done. Then I can get it tuned. And I can move on to the next step. Thank you for watching.